Ever wondered if time could pause on another planet? Sounds like sci-fi? Think again. The Quran hinted at it 1400 years ago. Welcome to Facts Mad Factory 786, where facts meet faith. In Surah Al-Hajj, verse 47, Allah says, "A day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of what you count." Science now calls this time dilation, proven by Einstein's theory of relativity in 1905. Near black holes or at high speeds, time slows down, even almost stops. A man named Sergei Krikalev claimed he visited near a black hole. Felt like hours to him. But decades passed on Earth. Whether real or legend, science backs it up. Surah As-Sajda, verse 5. It ascends to him in a day whose measure is 1,000 years of what you count. Time isn't fixed. The Quran knew it before science did. Coincidence or divine knowledge? You decide. Like, share and follow facts. Mad Factory 786. The truth is just beginning.